Calculate without using a calculator. We start off by taking this number here and make it an exponent. So according to the laws of exponent, 216, and then we are going to have to the power of 1 over 3 over there, minus 16x. And then we are going to take this number, 216, and break it into its prime form. Let's look at prime numbers. Prime numbers, we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. So we'll try and break 216 into its prime form. So here's our 216 here, 216, and then we break it down. So 216, you get it by multiplying 2 by 108. So you basically say 216 divided by 2. You get 2 times 108. So 2 times 108, it gives us 216. And then we further divide 108 by 2. So 2 is a prime number. We further divide 108 by 2, and then we get 54. 2 times 54, it's 108. All right, we continue. We divide 54 again by 2. We get 27. All right, and therefore we have 2, 2. Now, if you look at 27 now, 27 divided by 2, we get a fraction, which is 27 over 3, or a decimal, which is 13.5. And then we don't want that. Therefore, we'll change our prime number. We are no longer going to use 2. We'll try to use 3. Therefore, we say 27 divided by 3, we get 9. So we're going to say 3 by 9. Therefore, here we have 2, 2, 2, 3. The factors of 9 is 3 and 3. 3 times 3, 3 by 3. Therefore, if you multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3, you get 216. So allow me to write it here. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 is equals to 216. Therefore, we are going to count how many 2's we have. Allow me to highlight all the 2's that we have here. So we have 1, 2, 3. So here we are going to say now 2 to the power of 3, because we add all the exponents, multiplied by, and then now we look at the 3's now as to how many we have them. We have 1, 2, 3. Therefore, this is going to be the same as times 3 to the power of 3, and then we still have this x times x to the power of 3. Therefore, we close it under brackets, and then to the exponent 1 over 3, 16, like that. And then now, the laws of exponents says that if you have an exponent outside, and then you want to multiply it to the numbers inside the brackets, each number inside the bracket will get a share of that exponent. So therefore, when you multiply this number outside into the bracket, you're going to have 2 to the power of 3 times 1 over 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 3 times 1 over 3 multiplied by x to the power of 3 times 1 over 3. Let me put this under brackets, and then minus 16x. Therefore, this whole thing becomes, now 3 times 1 over 3 is equals to 1. So this is 2 to the power of 1. Or you can just simply write 2 without the exponent. Therefore, this is multiplied by, the same thing goes, 3 times 1 over 3 is going to be 3 times x to the power of 3 times 1 over 3 is going to be just x, like that, and then minus 16. Therefore, this becomes 6x, because 3 times 2, or 2 times 3 rather, times x is 6x. Therefore, we minus 16x. Oops, I forgot to put an x here. Remember to put that x. And therefore, this whole thing becomes minus 10x. So we've solved the question. So cube 216 x to the power of 3. So all of this under the cube root, minus 16x is equals to minus 10x. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something, and please subscribe if you are new to this channel. Invite your friends to come and watch this. Thank you so much. Bye.